Hi guys, and welcome to another day of the pre-Tanzania vlog. Oh my god guys. So today is Saturday the 20th of August. So it means the countdown is 4 days until we fly out to Tanzania. Hashtag ZanzieBaddies. So today the plan is I'm on my way to go pick up some snorkeling gear because you would have wanted to buy the snorkeling gear there at the resort, but because of COVID regulations they did say to bring our own. So then after I pick up the snorkeling gear, I'm looking to go and get my nails done. After getting my nails done, I'm looking to go and get my hair done. After getting my hair done, the day should be done by then. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. There's a bit of sunlight, let's try to catch it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, come along guys.
Yeah, I find why I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, thanks. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one.
These are the nails, guys. Snorkeling gear, guys. Oh, summertime in a country. Oh. So yeah, I got my nails done. If it wasn't for these bags, I'd actually be talking to you guys with my nails all over the screen. So right now, because my nails are done, I'm gonna check that off the list. On our way to get our hair done. Nearly there. Never usually run late. I was 10 minutes early to my last appointment. And now I'm like over half an hour late for this appointment, my hair appointment. One second. Make sure I'm going the right way. I am. So yeah, I'll be there till late. Once my hair is done, as we say in our language, Lingala, muteme kukita. Bags are packed already, so I'm good. The weather's good today as well. Ooh, Tanzania, aka ZanzieBaddie, baby. So to give some context here, I am blending the hair because my hairdresser, she also ran overtime with the previous client she had, so I had some time to blend extra hair that I didn't think I'd need, but I bought just in case. So yeah. Oh my hair. bus comes in about 10 minutes, so I need to get out of here because the walk is going to be about, well, 21 minutes, but the walk is 10 minutes, so I've got to go, and I don't want the music in the background to get copyrighted. So.
I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns.
Love you. No! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening at whatever time you may be watching this. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. I finished work at 5 today. I'm on my way to my pedicure appointment. It's all the way in Woolwich because she's having a deal on pedicures. I think that she's starting out as a nail technician. So wish me luck. Hopefully she spices up my already spicy toes. I wouldn't say they're spicy. But yeah, so on our way. I wasn't gonna vlog today, honestly speaking, but because it's my first time on the Elizabeth line, we have to vlog. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Today's one's gonna be a bit of a short one. This Monday the 22nd of August, I think. So the countdown is basically less than 48 hours to go. Guys, my hair is done as you guys saw. My nails are done as you guys saw. I think I gotta show you guys my bag. My bags have been packed. Just adding little bits and bobs, but yeah. Come along with me. Mwah! Looking at my Crocs has me wondering, what colour Crocs do you own, if you do own any Crocs? I'd like to know. And if I should get a new colour, what colour should I get?
She just wanna do Santi. She just wanna dance Santi. She just wanna dance Santi.
Finished getting my nails done, or my pedicure, and she was the sweetest ever. I'm going to put her name on the screen for sure, or in the description box, guaranteed. Look her up. She's doing this service for us ladies. You know, when it comes to self-care and beauty, it's a major thing for us to look good, feel good. I'm traveling and I wanted to make sure that my toes are done, and knowing that my toes are done, I feel extra special, I feel extra looked after, and that's thanks to her, and that's what she explained her goal is. So yeah, I'm filming here because of the lighting, of course, and because it's dark outside, so you guys will see my toes. Actually, I'll show you guys my toes because it's so pretty. It's very pretty. It's my first time getting Bayab pedicure, and then she put like a collar on top. So amazing. So book her up, and yeah, if you're seeing this, thank you again. Thank you to your mom and to your man, and I'm wishing you a happy birthday for this weekend. Her birthday's on the 26th. And yeah, what a special week it's been, guys. August has been good to me. So yeah, I think that's it for tonight. I'll show you guys my toes, and then you guys are gonna have to see me again, I think, on the day of the trip. We got less than 48 hours to go. I'm just giving any reason to share my nails. Like, what? Period. Make it a bit cuter. Got the hand in focus with the pink toes in the back, and the little planty. No, they're so cute, guys.
You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
Good evening, good afternoon, and whatever time you may be watching this. I am now on my way to the airport. No, to the coach station at Victoria. So, as you can now see, we're on the coach on our way to Heathrow. It is now 2:13 a.m. on the 24th of August 2022. Finally made it! So yeah, I'm on the coach. And I think the journey is going to take maybe 45 minutes. So yeah, guys, welcome to the ZanzieBaddie vlog. Hashtag ZanzieBaddie. Come along with me and let's have a good time. Okay?
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You wanna get with me, stop.
So the boring part of the trip is done, which is security. Managed to get everything done, but the fun part of traveling is the duty free. I'm excited, guys. Duty free, duty free. Let's start with the aerosols first. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good.
Had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. You claim me. You claim me.
You might have to rise and fall. This can't be your first time. We might have been before, but still fresh in my mind. I'm looking for some things that I've never. You gotta share with somebody but love for but won't fight. How much you might have done is before you say. Give us some things that I can find.
En cas d'évacuation, des panneaux lumineux vous permettent de localiser les issues de secours. Repérez le panneau le plus proche de votre siège.
So right now we're in Paris. It's about 4 p.m. I'm going to get a memory card. I don't know why I thought I've been vlogging all these weeks on a 68 gig and it's gonna last me the trip as well. So we're on our way to Central pour acheter le carte mémoire.